Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all doing today? Good? Wow, that's fine. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. And I welcome you to a new week, and that is week 9. And today is which day of the week? It's the first day of the week. Week 9 and day 1. And which class is this? It's your literacy class. Correct. Now, what I want you to do is, first of all, I want you to look around your room, wherever you are sitting, and describe that room. Just tell me how does it look like using the describing words. You know what are describing words? Yes, the adjectives, right? Now, come on, look around your room and describe it. Yes, sir. Very good. My room is very windy. Very good. There is lots of air coming in your room. Very good. Yes, Sarah, how will you describe your room? Your room is very big. Very good. My room is very big. Now, how I will describe my room is very big and windy, right? This is how you will describe it using describing words. These are the describing words which we have used just now, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you a picture. Now, what's this picture about? It's a star. And what about this tiny picture? It's also a star. These are two stars, 1 and 2. Now, are these two stars? Now, this is a picture of stars, right? Now, are these two stars same? Do they look same? Yes, these are the stars, but do they look same? No. Now, this star is big and this is a small star, right? This is the difference between these two stars. Only this difference, or is there any other difference? This is of yellow color and this is of silver color, or you can say it's of golden and silver. So, yet these two are stars, but they are different. One is big, one is small. One is golden, one is silver. So these are the words. What do you call them? Right, we call them describing words, but they are the opposites. Like big, small, golden, silver. These are the describing words, but they are the opposites, right? These are the opposite words also and describing words also. In the same way, what are these things I am holding in my hand? These are the papers. One is yellow, one is of yellow color, and one is of white color. Again, yellow and white are describing words. But this is yellow color and this is of white color. It means they are opposite. They are not similar. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture and look at the picture carefully. Okay. There you go. I hope you can see my screen. Yes? Now what's this picture showing you? It's showing you the daytime, right? Now look at this picture carefully. There is lots and lots of light over here. And it's a picture of daytime, right? Okay, now let's move on. Let's see another picture. Yes, can you see my screen here? Right. Now this is a picture of what is this picture showing? It's showing night time. Right. And is there light over there? No. This picture is dark. There are stars which are shiny, but still this picture is dark. So what these two pictures tell you about? One was of daytime and one was of nighttime. So again, day and night are two different words. They are describing words, but they are opposites also, right? And what else you find? What else is the difference in these two pictures? One was light; it was showing light, and the other picture was showing darkness. So again, light, dark are describing words, but they are opposites also. So what we are doing today, we are going to learn about the describing words which are opposites also, right? How to make opposites of those describing words. Do you understand? Now I'm going to show you something. Can you see my word hand? Yes, class? Correct. Can you see my word hand, children? Right. There are different words over here. Now, can you read the words? This is warm, light, cold, narrow. Narrow, you know, very narrow. This is good, dark, bad, and white. Now, what are these words? These are all different describing words, right? But they have their opposites also. So I want you to look at this word hand and find out the opposite of the words, right? Now let's go to the first word first. This is word good. Now can you find the opposite here of good? Bad. Correct. Very good. The second word is narrow. You know the meaning of narrow? Yes. Now find out the opposite of narrow. Wide. Narrow, wide. Okay. Now which word is this? Cold. Can you find the opposite of cold? Yes. Warm. Correct. Opposite of cold would be warm. Now this is the word light. So can you find the opposite of light? Dark. Correct. The opposite of light is dark. So you can see these are different words with different opposites. Also, yet they are what? Yet they are all the describing words, right? Yet they are the describing words. And see how we have found the opposites in these describing words? Yes? Okay. Now let's make sentences with these words. 1, 2, and 3. Can you see my whiteboard? Yes? Okay. Now we will make one sentence of these words. The first is good. Come on, let's make. This book is very good and interesting. This book is very good and interesting. Next is narrow. This street is too narrow. Yes? Okay. Next is cold. I am feeling very cold today. Now what I'm going to put at the end of the sentence? Full stop. Correct. And how am I going to start the sentence? With a capital letter. Correct. Light. Yes. There is no light at our place. There is no light at our place. Next is warm. These clothes are too warm for me. These clothes are too warm for me. Now you see how I have started the sentence. I have started the sentence with capital letter, ended with a full stop. And how we have used the sentence using these describing words, and these describing words makes your sentence more interesting. Now we have not made the sentences with all of them. The rest you are going to make it yourself. Now you have to make the sentence of dark, bad, and white. In the same way, like I have made, in the same way, you are also going to make sentences with these three words. I want you to make the sentences very, very interesting. not the simple ones, right? Make try and make and write more words, more describing words or more verbs, the doing words. Okay. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this task and your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Can you read your sentence, please? Yes, sir. Of dark. It's very dark here. Okay, it's very dark here. Or you can say it's very, your sentence is correct, but you can make it interesting by it's very dark here at this place. Okay, it's very dark here at this place. Okay, now the sentence of bad. You should not be using bad words in the class or at any time. You should not use bad words at all. Okay? So, the sentence of bad, now white. This street is very wide or this road is very wide, right? So that means all these words are describing words, yet they have their opposites also. Okay? So describing, as you know what describing words are, describing words can be of any color. All colors are describing words. All numbers are describing words. All feelings are describing words. Yeah, good, bad, happy, sad. Emotions are all describing words, like I'm feeling fantastic and this is a wonderful picture, this is a beautiful picture. These are all describing words, yet they also have their opposites. Like beautiful will be ugly, good, bad, sad, happy, right? In the same way, you can see big, small, right? All colors, yellow, blue, these are all describing words. All sizes, huge, tiny, these are all describing words and they have their opposites as well. So this was the task of today. This was the topic of today. I hope you must have enjoyed and must have learned something, right? You do your homework, which will be from your workbook page. And if there is any confusion, then you can ask me in the next class. Okay? So bye bye. See you in your science lesson.